My name is Kayla from Planning with Kay, and welcome back to my channel where I create content all about journaling, planning, and running an online sticker shop. I'm back today with another lettering related video. Today I'm going to be showing you 19 header ideas that you can use in your own planners or journals, including a full set of weekly headers and a full set of monthly headers. So let's jump right in. If you haven't seen one of my more recent lettering videos, it's like 5 beginner tips to jazz up your hand lettering. I'm going to be using a lot of those techniques in all of these headers that I'm creating today. So it's a very good back to basics type video if you want to learn more about how to change your line weight, how to add serifs, drop shadows, backgrounds. So I'll link that video up in the cards and down in the description if you want to check that out at any point. But here we are starting off with a Monday header. I'm using just a simple black brush pen for this print lettered font, making it a little bit fancy with the serifs and the little swirly cues at the end of the O and the Y, but keeping it simple. I didn't want to overthink these headers, so I am mixing up my fonts here with Tuesday and Wednesday. You can see a cursive Tuesday. I'm also bringing some color in. Experimenting with your supplies is a great way to kind of mix up the headers in your journal. So I had a collection of different markers in front of me and was having fun working with my Crayola Super Tips, as well as some Tombow dual brush markers, and of course my black calligraphy markers. So for Tuesday, I just did a simple colored background. For Wednesday, I did a colored lettering with a black drop shadow. And then Thursday is a really fun layered look with a big, tall print Thursday behind a black cursived lettered Thursday. Now for Friday, I'm using one of my own sticker sheets here. I actually have a new bundle up in my sticker shop right now with background and header stickers that make creating different types of headers in your journal really easy, especially on days where you maybe don't want to have to fully create it from scratch. So I used a big banner sticker as my easy background, and then I just used a black calligraphy marker to write in Friday over top in a print font. For Saturday, I'm using a chunkier Tombow brush pen to letter out a big, flowy cursive Saturday. And then I'm doing this offset drop shadow, just using a black fine liner. And again, I do have a little drop shadow tutorial in that previous video. All right, these next two are fun because they kind of have messier backgrounds. And also they don't have any fancy lettering. I wanted to create a variety of different headers here that would be achievable no matter what stage of your lettering journey you're in. If you're a beginner or an expert, I wanted these to kind of work no matter what. So on the left for Sunday, I actually just used a sticker from that sticker bundle that has all of the days of the week on it and stuck that over that messy gray circle scribble. And then on the right for January, I did a kind of messy rectangle of color using a Crayola Super Tip, and I lettered in January with this funky print font. For February's header, I used a circle sticker with a cursive font on top. And now for March, I'm doing this messy print font where you kind of scribble the letter a few times with your marker. And again, keeping it kind of loose and messy. I love making things pop off the page by adding a shadow and then a dark black skinny drop shadow, just like I did for that March header. It just really makes it look 3D, and it's an easy way to give your headers an extra pop off that page. For my April header, I'm doing something super easy, especially if you really can't be fussed with lettering, but you still want some cool headers in your journal or planner, and that is just the double sticker approach. So I used a sticker background from my sticky notes sheet and then a monthly sticker on top. So no lettering or really any writing or drawing required, all just stickers. So as I was creating this, I was again really trying to not overthink these headers and just kind of going with the flow and trying to find quick and easy ways to distinguish these headers from each other. And I really just wanted to give like as many cool, easy-ish techniques to create fun, unique headers. So for May here, I did a colored background and then a darker yellow cursive lettering on top. And then to really make it pop, I fully outlined the entire header, which wasn't too hard, and I feel like it really stands out on the page here. I love how that one turned out. Now for June, I am actually doing a vertical header here. So I grabbed 4 different colors of like pink and purple and did 4 circles of those colors going down the page. And then I actually just used my little alphabet stickers for June. Alphabet stickers I feel like are really easy to find and they're so useful. I've really been loving creating new alphabet sticker sheets in my shop. July was just a very simple kind of lengthy cursive font. You really don't have to go very complicated to make a header stand out. And I feel like July is a good example of that. For August, I did a simple black and white header. I used a little banner in the background and then just very simple black print font on top for August. Now for September, I am just playing around with the supplies I have. So I actually grabbed this watercolor sticker and then I used a white paint pen on top with a black drop shadow, and it created a really cool effect. I highly recommend kind of digging around your drawers at home, seeing what different like art and stationery supplies you have, because you might be surprised by the cool headers you can create with just a couple extra supplies. Now for October, I'm doing a mixed color print font. I love the effect of selecting a few different colored markers and alternating them to create headers and lettering. It's something I used to do all the time, and I feel like I don't do this very often anymore, but this video reminded me about this cute, colorful lettering style. So I'm doing like a blue color scheme and then giving that a black drop shadow. I just love drop shadows because they make things stand out on the page. It gives it a little bit of a like 3D effect. And when I can, I feel like I always default to putting a drop shadow on any header that needs that little extra pop. For November, I'm doing the kind of reverse drop shadow effect. So first I'm lettering in November with a light color, and then with a black calligraphy pen, I'm lettering it in again, just slightly shifted up and to the right. So it creates this automatic kind of drop shadow look. All right, finally, we're on to the last header, the 19th header in 10 minutes, and that is for December. I'm just using my Crayola Super Tip markers again to create a kind of fun, messy gradient background. And it was kind of dark, so I decided to just use a sticker on top, another monthly header sticker. And that is it for the final header in this video. I did a full set of weeklies, a full set of monthlies, 19 completely unique different header ideas using a variety of different supplies. And I hope this gave you guys some ideas to use in your own planners or journals. Don't forget that all of the stickers that I used today are available in my sticker shop in my new bundle that I just listed. My sticker shop is PlanningWithKay.com, and I'll have all of those stickers in my shop and all of my other links down in the description below. I also do offer monthly automatic sticker deliveries over on my Patreon, where you can join for as little as $1 to gain exclusive content, printables, live streams, and just an amazing community over there on Patreon. So I will have everything linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more content about journaling and planning, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.